Welcome back, YouTube. This is another episode of my 1987 El Camino named Blue Mamba. Today I'll be installing the upper and lower control arm frame braces. Today we'll be getting that done along with painting. I'm also going to have a new video coming out a week after this video on the whole bottom of the car, the frame, the body, and everything painted. Alright, YouTube, I'm going to show you guys what I ordered from Trick Chassis. It's a part of my frame brace, coilover brackets, and also basically the frame brace to stiffen up the car to leave better. Alright, so here it is. This box is pretty heavy. Got some Trick Chassis stickers. It also comes with you can email Alex to get the instructions. It's kind of hard to pull it out with the camera. You can email Alex and get all the picture instructions for the install. It comes with stickers like this here, business cards, more stickers. So what I ordered here is the upper control arm braces. There's two of them for each side, one for each side. This is the cross member bar. About that wide. I already opened some of this already. This is the braces to go on the rear end for the coilover mounts here. And here's the other one. I'm not going to install these onto the rear end yet because I'm going to get the Ford 8.8 and get those welded on. I might go to TRZ. So I also have the lower frame braces. Just gonna unwrap them. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. I'll turn you guys back on when I unwrap the lower frame braces here, and I also have the frame braces. So these for the lower control arms, this is for the frame rails. Alright, YouTube, so this is the upper brace, the lower brace. These things are really beefy. Has nice welds on them from Trick Chassis. Pretty good welds on them. These are the brace kit here for the upper. This here is the frame brace, frame rail bracing. Pretty thick. And I also want to show you the tabs that go to the cross member bar for the coilovers. Alright, YouTube, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack the car up. Put it on the jack stands and remove the rear end so it can make it easier for me to get up under the car to weld in the braces. I have to clean off the frame and the body in order to get bare metal for the braces to weld to. So I'm gonna come back and have you guys set up to watch me remove the rear end. YouTube, as you can see, I got the rear end out of here. Got enough space to be completely up under the car. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up the frame. I'll show you guys where the braces go, even for the lowers and the uppers. Cut you back on when I'm ready. Alright YouTube, this is the braces installed. I still have to clean up the frame, but I got both of the braces installed. This is the lower brace. That's the lower brace installed. I still have to clean up the frame, and I'll probably throw some paint on it afterward. But those are the braces installed. I would say more than likely for the bottoms we'll have to get longer bolts for both sides. I'm also going to get brand new bolts for top and bottom. And also for the coil over cross member brace, I'm going to try to get it up in here, but I have to cut this side over here to fit it up in there where you see that hole is. So I have the first one here. I just have to cut the other side to make it fit. Alright YouTube, I gave it a little wire wheel to clean up the surface of the well. It didn't get in there all the way, but I'm gonna get in there another time. Just got the surfaces I want. Welder. Just cleaned up the surfaces to put the brackets. When I'm done welding, I'm gonna give them a fresh coat of paint. Another video, I'll be doing the back half of the frame, probably from this section all the way back, even up here. This section all the way back, even down to the end of the frame and under the body. I'll be taking care of the whole back section from here all the way back, getting it painted. Alright YouTube, I got it all welded in. My welds ain't perfect. Still learning how to weld. So got the bottoms in. I'm gonna go ahead and take the frame off the car. I'll weld in the top side of the brackets. So far I only got like the sides and the bottom of them, but I got both sides done. Tomorrow I might come in here and wire wheel all of this.